want to reiterate.
Aharisha ishatu n'edakiika 58 z'akasheshe President Yoweri Museveni ubwe yahika kitebe kikuru ekitongole ekirukuru by'okuteza akaruru mu ihanga ekya Electoral Commission mu rubo wa Kampala okwehanditsa kwesimba bwa President bwa Uganda mu karuru kabona ke-2026. President Museveni yabashendekerezi bwe nyamunyunyuwe kandi uri Minister w'ebyobwegese n'emizano Janet Kataha Museveni n'abandi abarumu President w'ekibina kya DP Norbert Mao, Speaker Anita Mongi kandi bwa nyuma yo kushijima ibihandiko bye yahamebwa kwesimbaho ahabwa President mu karuru ke-2026.
I, Justice Byabakama Mugenyi Simon, being the returning officer for the nomination of presidential candidates, declare Museveni Yoweri Tuhaburwa Kaguta a duly nominated candidate in respect of the presidential elections 2026, he having fulfilled the nomination requirements under the Presidential Elections Act, Chapter 179.
Kuyaheza kwehanditsa President Museveni kandi w'ekibina kya NRM yagambira abanya-Uganda okwarukuza kongera kutungura ihanga.
So where we are moving to now is to again convince the people of Uganda of what has been achieved in the past and what we are planning to do now. At Kololo, I will say more in the afternoon, but really we have got two major thrusts. Thrust number one is to work with the middle class and the investors from outside to completely transform Uganda from a lower middle income country, which we are now. We are no longer a least developed country, we are now a lower middle income country, to high middle income country moving towards first world country.
Yashabe eminyeto okulinda NRM ekozire okwihezo mu bwebembezi.
So please, when you find our children going to Dubai, what are you going to do in Dubai? Eh? Here we have got more potential for more jobs than the Dubais can have. Eh? We've got everything here. Muleko obugaga wano nimugende yuko okola ngabaddu je mugenda. There's UN now, there's something UN is going on. Nze ndi wano mbyange.
President Museveni niwe yabo kubanza kwehanditsa kwesimba bwa President omukaruru kabona ke-2026. Abandi ababajire yo kwehanditsa bwa President harimo Elton Joseph Mabirizi ow'ekibina kya Conservative Party. Abandi abarukwenda kwesimba bwa President nibaceyongera kwehanditsa okukomanya enchakare obwo kwehanditsa kurakingweho ahabwa TV West and Elias Rutugusa.